Let's discuss today uric acid or gout. What is uric acid test? This test measures the amount of uric acid in your blood. Uric acid is normal body waste product. It forms when chemical called purine break down. Purines are a natural substance found in the body. They are also found in many foods such as liver, shellfish, and alcohol. They can also be formed in the body when DNA is broken down. When purines are broken down to uric acid in the blood, the body gets rid of it when you urinate or have a bowel movement. But if your body makes too much uric acid or if your kidney are not working well, uric acid can build up in the blood. Uric acid level can also increase when you eat too many high purine food or take medicines like diuretics, aspirin. Then crystals of uric acid can form and collect in the joints. This causes painful inflammation. This condition is called gout. It can also lead to kidney stones. What are the causes for the uric acid? Most of the time, a high uric acid level occurs when your kidney don't eliminate uric acid efficiently. Things that may cause this slowdown in the removal of uric acid include rich foods, being overweight, having diabetes, taking certain diuretics, and drinking too much alcohol. Or less common causes are a diet high in purine containing items or your body producing too much uric acid. Let's discuss one by one. Diuretics, drinking too much alcohol, genetics, hypothyroidism, immunosuppressing drugs, vitamin B3, obesity, psoriasis, purine-rich diet, renal insufficiency. What are the symptoms of high level of uric acid? Include joint pain, swelling and pain in joints, ankle or knee or red skin around a joint, joints that are hot to the touch, swelling pain that affects only one joint in the body, skin that looks shiny and is red or a purple. You may also need this test if you have symptoms of kidney stones like include severe pain along your lower back. This may repeatedly get worse and then get better. The pain may also travel to your genitals. Nausea, vomiting, urgent need to urinate, blood in your urine. What do my test result mean? The test may vary depending on your age, gender, health history, and other things. Your test result may be different depending on the lab used. They may not mean you have a problem. Ask your healthcare provider what your test result mean for you. Results are given in the milligram per deciliter. You may have too much uric acid in your blood if your results are higher than 6 mg/dl if you are female, higher than 7 mg/dl if you are male. Your uric acid levels may be high if you eat foods high in purine. These includes organ meats, dried beans and peas and fish such as anchovies, herring, sardines. High levels can also be caused by a low salt diet. How to maintain or reduce uric acid? Here we go for the natural ways. Low fat and non-dairy fat products such as yogurt and skim milk, fresh fruits and vegetables, nuts, peanuts, butter and grains, fat and oil, potatoes, rice, bread and pasta, and eggs, but in moderation. Meats like fish, chicken, and red meat are fine in moderation. Drink lot of fluids, around 8 to 16 cups a day. Caffeinated coffee can cut uric acid. Water, cherries, berries, and bananas. Thank you for watching the video.